Reporter Chris Dairo is standing by to tell us more about that and other stories as well from City Center. Chris, over to you. Good to see you.
Well, very good morning to you, Dibal. And actually, it's all about the Mount Kenya Foundation meeting that is expected to happen this afternoon between the members of the Mount Kenya Foundation and members or leaders from the arid and semi-arid areas coming from the 11 counties in the country. Yesterday, they had that meeting, and in that meeting, there were several deliberations. And remember that these meetings is a culmination of several meetings that have happened between the members of the Mount Kenya Foundation that brings together on board different political leaders, businessmen, people who have been perceived to be shaping the campaigns in this country, especially when it comes to the funding perspective. And this afternoon, they will be meeting the members of the arid and semi-arid areas. Those members will include professionals, former members of parliament, those who are aspiring to contest any elective positions. And this is a meeting that comes after several meetings. Remember that the members of the Mount Kenya Foundation have held meetings with the ODM party leader at least twice. And also, like 3 weeks ago, they held also a meeting with the members of the principals of the One Kenya Alliance. And they had promised Kenyans that soon they will be holding a Limuru 3 meeting. And that Limuru 3 meeting, of course, will be to announce the person that they have decided to support and, of course, to fund come the next general election, that is next year's presidential election. Remember that this is the first time we're seeing such a scenario where different politicians, businessmen have come out openly to meet politicians. Remember, in the past, we've seen that they have been very skeptical to come out and declare which side of the coalition or which side of the political divide that they will want to support. But this time round, we've seen they've come out. Remember, even during the Kibaki re-election, we used to hear of 1 million plate, a meeting that, of course, was a closed door. No one will know who or the members who attended such meetings. But this time round, we've seen they've come out openly to declare which side of the divide they would like to support. And that meeting, of course, will be coming in the afternoon. And what I've gathered is that this is a long process from the Mount Kenya Foundation just to try and galvanize more members or more support from different areas or different regions. Remember that different Kenyans from or who hail from the Mount Kenya region are scattered in different parts of the country, and one of the intention is to ensure that during this succession politics, when President Uhuru Kenyatta will be